Hi guys, so I am finally going to be doing my nails. My hands have been looking so crusty for the longest time, so this is well overdue. I have already done my right hand using my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand. I've buffed the surface of my nails and cleaned them. I've already prepped my nails, applied some tips. Now I'm just going to be dehydrating my nails using Nail Prep Dehydrator. Now I'm going to build the first layer using the crystal clear acrylic. So I'm going to start off by using crystal clear just to build up my pinky finger, and I'm going to use some gold leaf as well. I'm just pressing this gold leaf into the clear acrylic, which is still wet. Fingers crossed you'll be able to see a little bit of gold through those little crystals. And now I'm just going to encapsulate that. This is the second time that I've actually done my own acrylic nails, and yeah, I don't really like doing my own nails, to be honest. I find it a bit annoying having to hold my hand a certain way. So now for this nail, I'm going to be doing an ombre using this glitter that I've named Pink Mermaid and soft beige. This is Nail Nails acrylic as well, and I'm going to be using that same crystal clear acrylic to encapsulate the nails as well. You can see why I call this glitter Pink Mermaid. It is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I think this is my favorite out of all the glitters that I've got. Now I'm just adding a little bit more of that crystal clear on top of this glitter just to encapsulate it before I add the soft beige. Now with this nail, I'm going to be using that same glitter and crystal clear acrylic to build the whole nail. And I'm going to be adding little pieces of gold leaf into it as well. Once I've done all my nails, I'm going to be building some acrylic flowers on top of the nail as well. Don't watch how messy my tweezers look. I was doing my nails yesterday and I managed to get white nail polish all over them. Now with this nail, I'm going to be creating an extended nail bed, but a pointy one. For that, I'm going to be using soft beige again. I'm going to want to file this nail, so I need it to be dry for me to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and start on this nail first. So on this nail, I'm going to be doing some marbling using soft beige, crystal clear, natural as well, and a little bit of that glitter and gold leaf as well. On this nail, I'm going to be using very wet beads because I want the acrylics to blend into each other. I'm adding some gold leaf right here just to hide that crack in my natural nail. So now I'm going to file this nail to try and make it very neat. So now that I finished filing this, I'm going to use this glitter that I stole from my daughter and crystal clear acrylic to fill in these sides. Now I'm going to clear cap that using crystal clear acrylic. So I'm just filing down and shaping my nails using a nail file. To be honest, I don't really use e-files that much. I prefer the way I can control a file a little bit better, and it doesn't really take me long to file using a hand file. So yeah, it's just my preferred method. So now I'm going to just shine the nails. If you wanted your nails to be matte but you didn't have a matte top coat, you could just file them and then use a shiner. You could leave them like that and they would just look really nice and matte. So I finished filing my nails and they are gonna look so good. And now I'm just gonna clean them with some gel residue wipe off solution. You can already see they look so good. They look so pretty. I've always got some sort of injury on my hands. It's normally from burning myself when I'm cooking or just other careless sort of stuff. I could actually leave them like this because they look so nice. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be a bit extra now. So I haven't actually invested in a 3D acrylic brush yet. So instead, me and my little ghetto self is going to be using this size 6 acrylic painting brush. But I found that it works really well when it comes to creating these little 3D flowers. I'm not really that experienced with making 3D flowers, so yeah, let's just hope this goes well. So I'm just waiting for the beads to go a little bit matte, and then I know that that's when I can actually start playing around with them and creating this little flower. That's actually pretty cute. That turned out better than I expected. I'm normally so bad at doing these little flowers. I think I'm gonna do another one here. I absolutely love the way these flowers turned out. I think they look super cute. I'm going to add some Swarovski crystals. So all the Swarovskis that I use come from Blue Streak. So for these nails, I'll probably use this size, which is SS5. I probably will put them in a container at some point when I can be bothered to write down all the labels for the sizes. I just like to be super organized. I'm going to use this Blue Sky Builder Gel to stick those Swarovskis to my nail. I find that Builder Gel sticks down crystals really well and they do not come off until you want them to, obviously. I'm just using this wax picker upper thing to pick them up and just place them where I want them to be. Then I'm going to get my top coat as well, and I'm going to top coat that same now, being super careful not to put top coat on top of the flowers because I want them to stay matte. Now I'm just going to cure that for 1 minute. So now we're going to be doing my pinky finger, and for that I'm going to use some S3 Swarovskis. They are tiny, S5, the same ones that I used on the other nail, just one or two. And these crystal Pixie Swarovski crystals or beads, I'm not sure what to call them, but they are like the smallest, shiniest little things ever. I'm gonna lay down this piece of paper here so I don't end up losing all of them, and just take, oh, see, this always happens. This is what I do every single time. This is just part of my life. Yeah, I think maybe it might be a good idea to actually put these in a container so this can stop happening to me. This is exactly what I do not need in my life, just making me waste time. Let me just dip in my little pencil thing. Dip. I'm going to put a layer of builder gel on my nail. Hopefully we'll be able to see some sort of gold through these crystals. I'm going to scoop these tiny little crystals and just, whoop, okay, they do not want to come with me. And just pour them onto the nail. Oh my god, this is harder than it looks. So I've got another scoop, which is a bit bigger. Let's see if this helps. Okay, they have gone all over my floor, which is great. This is what we want. You know, we want them to go all over the floor. We want to lose all of them. You know, when you start wondering why the hell you decided to do something. With this nail, I think I might just add 1 or 3 Swarovskis at the top. Again, I'm going to use builder gel just around the cuticle area. So this crystal is not a Swarovski crystal, but look how similar it looks. They are so beautiful. They shine just as much as the Swarovskis do. Whether the shine lasts as long as the Swarovskis, I don't know, but they look real good. I'm not even gonna lie. Now with my thumb, I was going to add some crystals, but nah, I think I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Okay, so I've decided that I'm not gonna go ham on this now like how I thought I was going to. I'm just gonna add a little heart at the top here, and again I'm using the Blue Sky Builder gel as an adhesive for the embellishments on this nail. I'm going to finish top coating that nail with this top coat, and I'm going to go on top of the heart as well. So now I'm just going to apply this pink pineapple cuticle oil, which smells really good. And I'm going to apply it all around my cuticles. I absolutely love how these turned out. I think they look so good. They look so beautiful. I actually can't deal. So yeah, that's the final look. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you prefer my usual voiceover type videos, or if you prefer me actually talking through while I'm actually doing the nails. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. And until next time, stay blessed.